To buy USDT, also known as Tether, using Payoneer, you will first need to gather your account and bank information. Start by logging in to your Payoneer account, which can be done by clicking the Login or Register buttons located in the upper right corner of the Payoneer homepage. Once logged in, you can access your account and proceed with the next steps. Alternatively, you can also log in through other platforms such as Binance, which allows you to use your Payoneer account seamlessly. Another option is to use a site like Paxful, where you can select Pay With and choose your Payoneer account to make the purchase. From there, you can buy Tether by spending the desired amount of money. Paxful is likely the easiest method, but you can also explore other websites if you prefer. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully buy USDT using Payoneer.